Mike from White's. Today we've got an Immaculate 2017 Toyota HiAce Turbo Diesel automatic. It's a 17 model, let me check that. 17 model, 115,000 kilometres. And it's just mint condition, absolutely mint condition. And the other thing with it, it's got a PTO drive. It's only done 1,800 hours. With the PTO drive, you've got easy access to the blower, pump oil, all that sort of thing for servicing. Massive amount of room, which I'll show you in the back. Comes with quite a few extras. There's stair tools, extra wands, pods, etc. But it's definitely a 9.5 out of 10 in condition. And for those who want to carry a portable, tons of room up the front. And yeah, 2 wands, but it's got the sprayer, everything you can think of, titanium one, evolution one, but a lot of room up the middle to put anything you like in. And you run it with a remote control. So if you're on a job in a nursing home, you can shut the whole van up, duct it through and run it off a 2-speed remote control. They only burn about 2 litres, 2.5 litres an hour of diesel, but it's very clean and very straight. And this is a rare one. You don't get many of these come through in that sort of condition. Thank you.